Hi there, students. Ail, A-I-L, a verb, or also a countable noun. Then we have ailment as well as a countable noun, and as an adjective, ailing. Let's see, to ail means to be ill, to be suffering, to be troubled. He's been ailing all week, but finally he seems a bit better. The father looked after the ailing child. His back has been ailing him for some time. So hurting, painful, suffering from, to be ill. Notice ale, A-I-L, sounds like ale, a type of beer, but they're completely different. Don't confuse them. So to ail, to give or to have physical or emotional pain. To be in discomfort or to be troubled or distressed by something. So notice it can also refer to problems and difficulties, troubles. He had all the ails of the world on his shoulders. He was worried about all the bad things that are happening to humanity. What's ailing you? So, are you sick or do you have a problem? Is something troubling you? It's very common to use ailing as an adjective. For example, an ailing business, an ailing economy. It's not doing very well. It's not vibrant. It's a bit sick. So at the moment there are ailing businesses everywhere because they can't open. Low interest rates or high interest rates are often a symptom of an ailing economy. So to ail, to be unwell, to be ill, to be sick, to be in trouble, to be indisposed. An ailment, an illness. So coronavirus is an ailment. Arthritis is another ailment. Or to ail, to be doing badly, not to be doing well, not to be working as it should. As in an ailing business or an ailing school, with fewer and fewer students at it. The ailing engine of my old car. It's so old it's getting sick and doesn't work very well. Or my laptop has been ailing ever since I dropped coffee all over the keyboard. An ailing company. Let's see, with this word to ail, it always makes me think of garlic. But that's because I, in French, is garlic, although it's written exactly the same. Okay, so notice to ail is a regular verb. The business ailed. The business has ailed for several years in a row. And then formality. I think I'd probably give this a 6 in formality. It sounds a little bit literary, but I think it's flexible and you could use it anywhere, although I touch on the more formal side. Informally you might say just to be ill, to be sick, to be troubled, to have problems, something like that's quite easy. And then the origin, well, in Middle English we have a verb ailen, meaning to trouble or to afflict. And this is linked to a Gothic word, aglajan, meaning to distress. So, to ail, to be sick. I hope there's nothing ailing you at the moment. To ail, to have a problem, to have something the matter with it, not working well. An ailing computer, an ailing industrial machine. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ail ailing ailment.